In this question, different elements are given. We have to arrange them in increasing order of their electronegativity. Electronegativity is the ability to attract the shared pair of electrons in a covalent bond. And this electronegativity is increasing when we move from left to right in the periodic table, and it is decreasing down the group. Among these elements, we could see that nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, carbon, all of them are belongs to the same period, but silicon is coming in the next period, but carbon and silicon are in same group. So as we discussed before, down the group the electronegativity is decreasing. So silicon will have the least electronegativity value. In order to predict the electronegativities of other elements, we need to know the electronic configuration. Nitrogen has 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Fluorine is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. And silicon has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. The atomic number is increasing from carbon to fluorine. So the electronegativity will increase us from carbon to fluorine. Now we could arrange all these elements in increasing order of their electronegativity. That is, silicon will be less electronegative than carbon, which is less electronegative than nitrogen, which is less than oxygen, and high electronegativity value will be for fluorine with 9 protons. So from these options, option C is the correct one.